Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo Find X Neo, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. First, let's start with the question of why your phone is slow. Basically, it's because your phone can't handle the load you have put on it, or you are not taking good care of it. You should always understand that every device is designed to perform a certain amount of tasks with a certain dynamic. Okay, but despite the above, if you follow the instructions I am about to give you, you will be able to keep your device always in good condition, so that it works at its best. Okay, first aspect that can slow down your device is memory. The onboard memory of a device is a limited resource, and when your onboard memory is filled over 70% full, so your device will slow down. So, of course, often the winners is the one who invests in the device with more built-in memory, because if you are using 70% full of your memory, your device is slowing down. In order to free up space in your internal memory, you can delete unused applications or upload your photos and videos from gallery to cloud storage. I will show you how to delete applications. So to do it, open settings, and here apps, here choose apps management, and here you will see the list of all your applications. Here choose apps you want to delete. I have no apps to delete, for example. Okay, I have launchers, for example. I want to delete Niagara launcher, so to delete it, click on it and click uninstall. You can keep data, but if you want to free up data too, so click OK. Great. If you want to upload your photos and images to cloud storage, you need to choose the cloud storage to upload your data. You can use Google Photos, Google Cloud Storage. Google gives you 15 gigabytes for free. You can use Mega Drive. Mega Drive gives you 50 gigabytes for free. You can use OneDrive. OneDrive gives you 5 gigabytes, maybe more, but I don't remember. And you just need to choose the cloud storage with good pricing if you have a lot of photos and videos, or you just can to use it for free, of course. Okay. And the second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of your device is a lack of RAM. All the processor is running at the moment are running in RAM. All the applications that are running at the moment are also running in RAM. So here again, the winner is the one who bought a device with more temporary storage. The RAM can be freed by unloading the running applications or by disabling the background work of the applications. In order to unload the memory of running application, just swipe your finger up if you're using gestures, or click on 3 sticks button and click close all to free up your RAM. And the third, last aspect that slows down your device is the files that are left over from running apps. Applications in the Android operation system leaving behind a lot of junk, unnecessary files that are not noticeable to the average user of the device. In order to clean these files, you will need a special program. Of course, your device, I will show you, have a phone manager application. Phone manager. Yes, from Phone Manager, and here you have Optimizer, System Optimizer. Here you have tools, and okay, Phone Optimizer. We have Phone Optimizer, and here we can clean up our RAM. To clean our RAM, but it's not cleaning the junk files in your system. So to clean junk files, I suggest to use Deep Cleaner app. Why Deep Cleaner? It's not an ad. I suggest to use Deep Cleaner because it's completely free, but I can see, oh okay, it's here. It's completely free and it's not consumes your RAM, because it is not working RAM in the background. It has no background plugins, so you can use it without RAM restrictions. So open this app, and here you will see scanning your phone now. So wait a while for scanning, and as you can see, Deep Cleaner found 400 megabytes of junk files. And from time to time you can open this application and just click junk scan. I have cleaned all my junk files right now, so I have no junk files now, but you write in comments how many megabytes you have cleaned by this app. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.